Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is October 14th, 2025, and here are our top stories. Drone Battalion, AI regulation, AI supercomputer, AI concerns. Drone Battalion. Colombia's army has launched its first drone battalion equipped with artificial intelligence. These drones are designed for operations against guerrilla groups and organizations involved in drug trafficking and illegal mining. This battalion, reportedly the first of its kind in Latin America, was unveiled at the Talamida Air Base, the country's main military training center. Resembling small helicopters with multiple propellers, these AI-enhanced drones can identify faces and track vehicles and have a flight range of up to 45 kilometers. Around 400 pilots will operate these drones from a special base in Boyacá, northeastern Colombia. General Carlos Padilla emphasized the enhanced aerial surveillance capabilities these drones provide, noting the evolution of Colombia's conflict due to technological advancements. Since the previous year, groups partly originating from the FARC movement have conducted over 350 attacks using homemade explosive drones, resulting in 15 soldier fatalities and about 170 injuries. The drone battalion aims to combat these illegal armed groups effectively. AI regulation. California has taken a pioneering step in AI regulation with Governor Gavin Newsom signing a bill focused on AI companion chatbots. Known as SB 243, this legislation mandates safety protocols for AI chatbots to protect children and vulnerable individuals. Major players like Meta and OpenAI, as well as specialized startups like Character AI and Replica, are now legally bound to adhere to these new standards. Prompted by tragic incidents and concerning internal records, the law emphasizes age verification, social media warnings, and crisis intervention protocols. Effective from January 1st, 2026, companies will report their preventive measures to the state's Department of Public Health. AI supercomputer. Nvidia is stepping up its game with the DGX Spark, a compact powerhouse they're calling the world's smallest AI supercomputer. This personal AI machine, which can tackle sophisticated models once confined to large energy-hungry data centers, is small enough to fit on your desk. Nvidia's DGX Spark will be available for purchase on Wednesday, October 15th, at a price of $3,999. It features the GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip, supporting AI models with up to 200 billion parameters. Imagine a million billion calculations each second, all from a standard power outlet. Ideal for researchers and students, this innovation aims to democratize AI development. AI concerns. Anthropic co-founder Jack Clark shares a captivating perspective on AI, describing it as a blend of technological optimism and what he calls appropriate fear. He attributes this to scaling, more computing power, more data, and larger models, leading to capabilities that no one intentionally designed. Clark likens this technology to something that grows organically rather than something meticulously crafted. He explains, "You put a framework in, and out emerges something of a complexity you could never design yourself." His thoughts underscore a critical point. We're nurturing extremely powerful systems that we do not fully understand. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.